When you talk about legends like Bob Marley, Celia Cruz, and Jacob DeValue of the Caribbean, you have to mention Shoubou. The electrifying frontman of Tabou Combo. For over 5 decades, his unmistakable voice, stage presence have defined the sound of Konpa, the heartbeat of Haitian culture. Shoubou's music is more than just sound. It is the pulse of a people, the soundtrack to celebrations, the anthem of resilience, and a reminder of Haiti's unbreakable spirit. From the dance floors of Port-au-Prince to the world's biggest stages, his songs have brought together generations, capturing the pride, pain, and joy of a nation. As a trailblazer and ambassador of Haitian music, Shoubou has inspired countless artists, keeping the spirit of Konpa alive and thriving. His journey is not just about rhythm and melody, but about lifting the voices of his people and celebrating the power of Haitian culture.
Haïti, alam kontan wè ou, Port-au-Prince.